Welcome to the AutoCrib.net Arcturus tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through the Access Controls Profile module. The Access Controls Profile module stores access controls details which can be inherited by employees in the AutoCrib system. All changes made to the profiles will be inherited by the employees assigned to it. To access the Profile module, navigate to Cribs, Access, Profile. The Profile module is divided into three sub-modules: Assign, Manage, and Update multiple profiles. Let's start by looking at the Manage Profiles screen. This screen allows you to create, remove, copy, and edit profiles. To create a new profile, click the Add button under the Profile box. Enter a profile name and a profile description. In this example, we will create a profile called Welding. So I will enter Weld into the profile name and Welding into the description. Then click the Submit button. Next, you will add any restricted cribs and items to the profile. To add crib restrictions, select the new profile name from the Profile box. Then click the Add button located under the Cribs box. Select the crib number or crib numbers from the cribs list. Then click the Add button. The crib numbers will then appear in the cribs box. If you do not wish to add crib restrictions, simply skip this step. Next, to add item restrictions, click the Add button under the Items box. Select the item or items from the list and click the Add button. The selected items will move to the Items to be Added box. Enter the maximum quantity allowed and set the frequency. Then click the Add button. The item maximum and frequency will appear in the Items box. The profile has now been created successfully. You can also select the crib permissions that will be inherited by the employees assigned to this profile. For example, if you would like employees assigned to this profile to have access to the Issue and Locate buttons on the machine screen, simply select the Issue and Locate checkboxes, then click the Update button. You will then see the message Profile Permission updated successfully. Finally, select the effective date. Then click Save Profile Settings. You will then see the message Access Control updated successfully. Please note that once you have created your new profile, you may go back and make changes to it at any time. To make changes to an existing profile, simply select the profile name from the profile list. To remove a crib restriction, select a crib from the Cribs box, then click the Remove button. To remove an item from the profile, select the item from the Items list, then click the Remove button. To update the maximum and/or frequency, make the changes in the maximum or frequency fields next to the desired item. Then click the Update button. Let's look at the Assign Profiles screen. This screen allows you to assign existing profiles to employees. The assigned employees will inherit the access controls of the selected profile. To assign a profile to an employee, select the desired profile from the Profile box, Then click the Add button located under the Assigned Employees box. The Employees Lookup pop-up box will appear. Select the desired employees from the list and then click the Add button. You will then have to select one of two profile options. The default option is to keep profile unlocked for the selected employee. An unlocked profile means that the employee or employees can have access control rules that are different from the assigned profile. In addition, if they currently have access controls assigned, they will retain those permissions as well as inherit the new profile permissions. The second profile option is Lock Access Profile to Selected Employee. This means that the employee or employees will inherit the new profile rules and all existing rules will be overwritten by the new profile. So once you have made your selection, click the Add Employees button. If the selected employees already have a profile assigned to them, the Profile Already Exists message will appear. You will then have the option to either override and remove the existing profile or append to an existing profile. So once you've made your selection, click the Submit button. Employee Added to Profile message will appear. Finally, let's look at the Update Multiple Profile screen. This screen allows you to update a set of rules to multiple profiles at the same time. To add crib restrictions to multiple profiles, click the Add button under the Crib box. Select the desired crib or cribs and click Add. To add item restrictions to multiple profiles, click the Add button under the Item box. Select desired item or items. Then click on Add. Set the maximum quantity allowed and the frequency. Then click the Add button. Finally, select the profile or profiles you wish to apply those settings to by clicking the Add button under the Profile box and selecting the desired profiles. Then click the Add button. Please note that you can also add the crib permissions in this screen. Make sure to select an effective date and click the Save Profile Settings button. This concludes the Access Controls tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out additional AutoCrib Arcturus tutorials.